Good morning, everyone. Pro tip, I just got through security, but apparently, and I didn't catch this on the website, selfie sticks are not allowed. So I got my selfie stick. Security is holding on to it. I'll pick up my selfie stick later on. But pro tip for everyone, no selfie sticks into downtown Disney. You have to enter through this gate here. I'll put a map location here, but basically, you'll find it. It's very easy. 200 people in line. Hi everyone, it's now been an hour and a half since I've gotten my QR code and been the virtual wait. That's from Christmas design here. That's the World of Disney. I am gonna start heading out because I haven't gotten my text yet. So let's recap. I got here at right around when they opened at 10 o'clock. I walked all the way down here, came in, they allowed us in. I was in a part of the second wave, and I put in my QR code, got my first text, waiting for my second text, and once you get your second text, you're going to be in line, and I estimate there's about another 50 people in line, 50 to 100 people in line. So that would be probably another 30-minute wait. So you're looking at the earliest you can get in. You're probably looking at a good hour and a half if you get here right when downtown Disney opens. So now, if you get in, you're looking at 500 to 600 people that are in the virtual line, and I'm guessing that's at least a 3 to 4 hour. I say that's about 3 to 4 hour wait would be my best approximate as of this point. So best of luck. I hope everyone does well, and thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video, you learned a little bit something. And unfortunately, I can't show you because I'm not in California Adventures. I'm not at Buena Vista Street. Once I get in, I'll upload that video. But right now, this video, it's my experience on grand reopening day, and thank you for watching. So I'm going to leave you with this video that I took of the Backlot premiere shop, which opened up last month. This is one of the destinations. You're free to check this out. Enjoy.
Right to the VIP ramp.
Awesome, thank you so much.